Hello everyone, today we're going to be talking about the new 1.17.40 cap changes. Now these cap changes only affect the cave mobs, so things like your stray farms and round farms won't get buffed at all. Cave mobs at the other hand now have a cap of 16, so you'll find a lot more cave mobs now. Now just because the mob cap has doubled does not mean that your mob farm rates will also double exactly. They will increase and you can still design mob farms that get close to double the current rates, but the current designs won't exactly receive a 2 times boost. How much these cap changes affect your current mob farms is greatly dependent on the size of your mob farm. If this creeper farm is a really tall creeper farm, then it will get boosted a lot by the new cap changes, but if it's a small creeper farm, the boost will really be negligible. And this is an Athena prototype, so it has only 12 layers in total, and it's not gonna cap out often anyways, so the new cap changes won't really help it a lot. I did some math and the rates of this farm can't possibly be boosted by more than 7.6% even if you increase the cap to infinity. And with the new cap changes, I would assume that it's only gonna increase by around 6 to 7%, which is a lot less than the amount the cap is changed by. On the other hand, if your farm is so tall that it doesn't even load in, well, then your rates are going to increase by a lot. This farm by Hello Odin V2 increases its rates by around 50% from around 14.5k to more than 21,000. There are some current farms that won't be affected much by the cap changes, most notably 2D farms like One Chunk Slime farm that use nether portals. And well, you can increase the rates of those by making them taller with the new world height changes, but there are some farms like a witch farm that are just a lost cause and you can't do anything to increase their rates even with the cap changes. And some things like a guardian farm are now pretty close to maxed out. This design makes 78,000 items per hour with the cap changes, and the maximum possible for a guardian farm is 82,000 items per hour. So the cap changes makes guardian farms almost maxed out. Well, I know I didn't talk about a lot of the farm types, but you get the general idea. If it doesn't cap out really often or doesn't have enough layers, then it probably won't get boosted a lot by the cap changes. Well, that's it for this video. If you want to learn more about mob farming, make sure to subscribe to the channel, as we will be posting more videos about mob farming and related stuff here on the channel soon.